Yeah, guys, I know you guys are all doing great, but you see, you just have to keep grinding and then keep watching your instrument to find opportunities to do it. So, you see, right now it is 7:22, which the market is about to close. So, you don't really have to. If you are a swing trader, you can get in. You can get in right now if you find opportunity. You don't really need. You don't really need a time section right now, but though it's more important. But if you're a day trader, then time session is really important because during those time sessions, there's a lot of volatility. But a swing trader, you just have to find a good spot and then open your position and then let it run. You get it. But then when the market is closed and then you find opportunity, there's a lot of consolidation. You see, because you're heading to the Sydney session. You get it? Because you're entering into the Sydney and the Asian session. So there's a more of consolidation with regards to pairs like USD or pairs with USD because those times pairs that moves are GBP, JPY, Netherlands, JPY, those pairs you get it. So I've gotten a trade, right? So let's sketch it. You see, price has been gone. This is the high, low, ranging and then it breaks down lower low, lower high, lower low. But you see, here when price got here, here is a strong support level which I've been watching, and then when price got here, price begin to give us what a double bottom formation. And if you see the candles, the bull candles, you can see that yeah, the bulls are ready to push the market higher. And then if you look at our EMA price, it is indicating that price has to come to that level to retest it. Yes, most of the times you do retest, but not always, but frequently you do retest the email. Sorry, guys, EMA. Okay, so right now, if you are to try to take this buy opportunity, meaning that you are buying from here to some level of here, and then probably looking for sales opportunity since you are in the downtrend. Okay, but don't forget that on this zone, price is correcting itself, which it is a game of probability. We are thinking in probability that okay, what's price telling us? What price is telling us that price can change from that zone and move from here to this high back to this zone and higher high. You get it? So but since right now we don't want to miss out, we could probably be still waiting to catch the sells or we will take the buys. Guys, when you take the buy, it means that you are counter trading. You get it? You're doing you are going against the trend, which means that always when you go against the trend, it usually moves small, small. It doesn't move. You see, you see, when price was a downtrend, started downtrend, you see, price was moves and then see the massive sales from here, back to back up to here. You see the little push buys, then drop massively. So if you are to catch the sales, you have to still wait to get the sales from here at this zone. Or probably you counter trade. But counter trading will be for a short term. So this one you're just scalping or day trading. And since it is scalping or day trading, your time session too is important. You get it? If you are to swing trade this one to this zone, then mean that you are going to open positions, then you leave it. You get it? And then you are at a high risk because if you are to day trade, meaning that there's about 63 pips, you can get it, or 40 pips, you are down for the day. With respect to a time session, so you see that during that time session, which is in your section, there's a lot of volatility. So it will quickly move to your TP and then you are done for the day, you are good. But if you are to day trade days or at a high risk, if you want to take it. So let's go. So you see what I was saying? I hope you can see it clearly. So you see the double bottom here. So when price came here, it went up here, it came down to confirm the double bottom. It has taken this high already. But see something. Price came to this low, high, lower, low, lower high, lower low. You see. So when price got here, so when price got here, you see. So per what Habi has been saying, I'm really grateful for what he has been teaching and especially posting some of his mentees time sessions with his mentees and then posting it on YouTube for we the ones who don't have the money to afford his mentorship. I'm really grateful. I've learned a lot. Every day I'll keep watching his videos and then I've been seeing myself in a different way. So you see, so he said that when the trend is changing, you probably should look out for at least two higher highs. Okay, two higher highs. So this is our first high and this is our second high. You see, it's our first low, this is our second low. I wouldn't consider this. You see, I wouldn't consider this. So I would be considering this as a higher high. So you see, and then if you are to check, price gave us a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So you see, and our EMA is also rejecting, indicating that whenever the candles are above the EMA, it means that it's buying. Whenever it is below, it means that it's selling. So you see, already you are looking for this zone to buy. And then with our trend line, we connected our trend line. You see, it's also aligned with the trend. That's why it's called trend line. So it is an uptrend now, so which is also aligned with the uptrend. And this is our zone, which we'll be anticipating for maybe a pullback and then a continuation of the buy. So when price got here, that's another confluence can you add. So let me bring it to the 2 hour time for you see. Actually we'll be using the 4 hour, but to find to read certain candles at your zones, you need to go like 2 hour, 1 hour, or 15 minutes. But we will be using the 1 hour and the 2 hour, not really the 15 minutes. Because the 15 minutes sometimes I'm not that really good at it. So you see, when price came to our zone, another confluence we got was to apply our Fibonacci, which that one to taught by Habi Forex. And I apply my Fibonacci from apply from here to this high. You see, price came and then started rejecting from that zone. So already it is our resistance zone which has been broken to now the support zone. Rejecting from our trend line with this hammer, bullish hammer. You see, bullish hammer, and then rejecting from our what? Our Fibonacci 0.618 level. So don't forget your risk to reward too. You're not risking too much since we are scalping on this or we are day trading on this. And at the same time, which is a counter trade too. So our stop loss is 17 pips and our TP, full TP is 63 and our partial profit is 30 pips. So you see, which is a good risk, which is a good risk to reward. You get it? It's a good risk to reward. So you see, I entered here, and then price has been moving. You see, it's not moving. It's not going our way. You see, so you are only to take this trade such like this if you are swinging, if you are holding the position overnight. But if you are if you want to take it as a day trading, I will never advise you. You have to align with your time session. Yes, sometimes you could be like, you see, when I entered the trade, it has still moving in my way. It doesn't mean it's not a good practice, and per our our rules, it's not a good idea or way to build consistency. You get it? So I wish you guys all the best. Keep practicing. You get to it, get to it. If anything you don't understand, just reach out to me and I'll explain things better. Yeah, this is your boy David. Thank you guys. Have a nice day.